So we completed the Sarveshwara Sandhis in the last class.
So, Prabhu,
And
Sarveshwara Sandhi is until Sutra 50, 60?
yes, yes.
60, okay.
Then the next is Vishnu Jana Sandhi. Vishnu Jana Sandhis are those sandhis where the sandhis, the transformations, they take place between the Vishnu Janas, the consonants. So rule number one, you have already memorized that. Vishnu Daso Vishnu Padante Hari Ghosha Cha Hari Gada. Now the sutra says, if there is a word ending with Vishnu Dasa, what is a Vishnu Dasa by the way? Ta etad varjita Vishnu Dasa, which means Hari Kamala, Hari Khadga, Hari Gada, and Hari Ghosha. No Hari Venu. So those 20 letters. So if we have Vishnu Dasa at the end of a word, at the first place, then the rule says Vishnu Daso, Vishnu Dante, and if that, yeah, so if that Vishnu Dasa is situated at the end of a word, then this Vishnu Dasa becomes Hari Gada, the third letter of its own varga, of its own varga. For example, uh, Bhagavad Gita. Now, Bhagavad is the word, and at the end of Bhagavad we have Tarama. So, do you think is Tarama Vishnu Dasa? Yes, it is.
Mhm,
So now,
mhm,
simple. As per the rule, this ta becomes the third letter of its own varga. So that would be ta tha da, ta tha
mhm.
da. So it becomes Bhagavad Gita. Bhagavad Gita. Let's say,
So, Vishnu Dasa is followed by what, Prabhu? Um,
okay, so in this rule,
this.
we don't see what is following ahead. The rule simply says if we have a word ending with Vishnu Dasa, that's all. Then that Vishnu Dasa becomes Harigada. We don't see what is following ahead. Shat Goswami.
Mm.
So ta is
Certain,
a ta tha da. It
yeah,
becomes da.
Vishnu. Mm.
So Shat Goswami. Manmana Bhava Mad Bhakto. Mad Bhakto becomes Mad
Madhva.
Bhakt.
Mm. Madhva.
Mad Yaji becomes Mad Yaji.
Mhm.
Mad Yaji Mam Namaskar. So like that, this is the rule 61. 61.
So, Prabhu, if there is no following word coming after it, then Mat will stay Mat only, right? Let's say it's not Yaji after Mat.
See,
Like,
in
when do we
60,
use Mat?
yeah, yeah. Then the next sutras will explain that. In this sutra, Vishnudasa, situated at the end of the word, turns into Harigada, the third letter of its own varga. That's all. Then the next rule says Harivenu, Harivenurva. If again there is a word ending with Vishnu Dasa, and if that Vishnu Dasa is followed by another word which begins with Harivenu, if there is Harivenu at the beginning of the second word, then the rule says the Vishnu Dasa will become Harivenu. Vishnu Dasa will become Harivenu of its own varga, but optionally. Example, Jagat Nath. Jagat ends with Ta, which is a Vishnu Dasa, and it is followed by Na, which is Harivenu. So Ta optionally becomes the Harivenu of its own varga. So that is ta, tha, da, dha, na. So we get Jagan Natha. So because this is optional rule, so once it becomes Harivenu and once we apply the previous rule, so ta becomes the third letter, that is Jagad Natha.
Hmm.
Both are correct. Manmana, Bhavamat Bhakto. So mat, mana. So here, ta, Vishnudasa, followed by Harivenu. So Vishnudasa optionally becomes Harivenu of its own varga. So that is Tatha Dadhana. So Man, Mana, Bhagavad Gita. Man, Mana, Bhavamat Bhakto. And optionally, Mad, Mana. Both are correct. Again, very common Sandhi.
But Prabhu, but this Vishnu Dasa is followed by Ma here, right? It's not Harivenu.
Yeah, Prabhu.
Ma is Harivenu. Papa, Baba, Ma.
Oh, Papa Baba Ma, last one. Okay.
Oh,
Ma
Ma
is
itself is
Harivenu.
Harivenu. Yeah,
Mm-hmm.
I see, I see. Okay. But
So
it
that's,
becomes Na. No?
yeah, so it becomes Harivenu of its own varga. Tatha
So,
Dadhana.
oh, okay, 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 okay. Okay, so Harivenu could be from any other Varga as well. Like followed by
Like
Harivenu of any other.
the following Harivenu can be from any varga.
Uh, mm.
So that's 62. 63. Yadav Matre Hari Kamalam. If again there is a word ending with Vishnu Dasa, and if it is followed by a Yadava, what are the Yadavas?
And then Yadva Anye. So,
Hari Kamala, Hari Khadga, Hari Kamala, Hari Khadga, and Shauri, Shashasa.
yeah.
Hari Kamala, Hari Khadga, and Shauri. So if there is Vishnu Das followed by Yadava, so the rule is that Vishnu Dasa becomes or it remains a Hari Kamala. It becomes or remains a Hari Kamala. For example, let's say we have Tat Te. Tat Te. See, 62 and 63, you can say they are extension or exception to 61. 61 was the general rule where we didn't see what is following ahead. But in 62 and 63, we are seeing what is following ahead, and accordingly we are doing some exceptional change. So 62, 63 are exception or extension to 61, you can say. So in 63, Tat Te, Tat, the Ta here is Vishnu Dasa, and the following Ta is a Yadava. The following Ta is a Yadava. So it will, the Vishnu Dasa is already a Hari Kamala, so it will remain a Hari Kamala. So Tatte, like Tatte Anukampan Susamikshamano. So the point is, this sutra is blocking 61. This sutra is blocking the application of 61. Otherwise, it would have become the third letter. So Tatte.
So both are
Krishna,
valid?
I'm sorry.
So both are valid?
No,
Or
only this is valid.
oh, okay. So this supersedes the
Yes,
61.
yes. Krishnat param
But
kimapi
in the
tattvam
previous
aham.
verse, you had done Jagannath and Jagannath.
Yeah, there it was optional.
Jagannath.
It was optional according to the sutra, but here this is not optional.
Okay.
Krishnat param
So
kimapi
Prabhu for Jagannath, Na is not Yadava. Oh no, Na is not Yadava. Okay.
yeah, no, is not yada.
Mhm.
Krishnat param kimapi tattvam aham na jane. So again, Krishnat and param. Ta is a Vishnu Dasa and the following pa is a Yadava. So ta remains ta. So we get Krishnat param only. So that's 63. Then
Prabhu, Hari Kamala was the first column, or I forgetting,
yes,
sorry.
the first Kachatatapa.
First. Okay, so this is applicable only for, this exception is applicable only for Hari Kamala?
Yeah, it becomes Hari Kamala or it remains a Hari Kamala when a Yadava is following.
But if there is a, what is the second column? Is Hari Ghosha?
And the second is Hari Khadga.
Hari Khadga, sorry. If
Yeah,
a Hari Khadga is
that comes under Yadava, right?
right.
Yadava, yeah. So if any Yadava is there, then Vishnu Dasa becomes or it remains a Hari Kamala.
No, my question is, if let's say we have a Vishnu Dasa with the Hari Khadga and followed by another Hari Khadga, will it become Hari Kamala or?
Yes, then the Vishnu Dasa will become Hari Kamala.
Mm,
Yeah, the Hari Khadga letter will become Hari Kamala.
mm, mm. Okay.
Okay, one more sutra. Tataha Shashchova. If there is a word ending with Vishnu Dasa, and if there is a word, second word, beginning with Sharama, the letter Sh, then the rule says optionally Sh will become Ch. So Sh becomes Ch optionally. For example, Krishnat Shakti. So once it remains like this, Krishnat Shakti, and once Krishnat Sh becomes Ch, so Shakti. Krishnat Shakti, Krishnat Shakti. 61 can't be applied in both the cases because Sh is a Yadava and Ch is also a Yadava, right? Both Sh and Ch, they are Yadavas. So Ta remains Ta, Hari Kamala. 61 can't be applied.
Again, this is optional, bro, right? This is optional.
Yeah, this is
And
optional.
bro, and one more question I have on 63 is, let's say if there was that K, I mean, just so then it would have become Tatte.
You're saying if it was Tat and Te like this?
Yeah.
Yeah, Tat would remain Tat
Okay.
and Te will be Te.
Oh, okay. So I thought both become Hari Kamala.
No.
So it's
Only
just
the first
that
one.
the first one becomes Hari Kamala.
Yeah, the second one remains as it is.
Okay. Okay.
Okay, so we'll stop here for today. Um, so memorize the complete sutras for this Vishnu Jana Sandhi, and hopefully we'll complete it in the next class. The whole Vishnu Jana Sandhi.
Until what is the Vishnu
Yeah,
Jana Sandhi till?
you can see in the book. Uh, so it is till 78, from 61
Oh,
till
70.
78.
That might be a lot, Prabhu.
No, I think I gave 66 to 70 last week, so only 8 more this
Oh,
week.
yeah.
Yeah.
Okay,
Yeah,
okay.
so then 8 more only.
Okay.
Yeah, so memorize till 78, then we'll complete this Vishnu Jana Sandhi in the next one, next class.
Mhm. Bro, can you also post the notes? Which
The
you
one,
made.
this one?
Yeah, yeah, which were yeah.
Yeah. In
I'll
the
also post.
WhatsApp group.
Yeah, I'll do it.
Yeah, yes, bro. So
Oops, I think, yeah, there is some. One second, let me add it. Yes, done. Okay, Prabhji. So we'll resume the next week.
thank you,
Thank
bro.
you.
Hare
We
Krishna.
have our Guru Maharaj coming this week here.
Yeah, I got to know from everyone. Everyone is mentioning.
Okay, okay.
Yeah, so Achyut Prabhu, Rohini Prabhu, they're also taking off because of the events
Yeah,
happening.
yeah, yeah.
So
Sure.
Prabhu, we'll see. We'll see,
Okay.
Prabhu. Most I don't know.
Yeah, maybe Prabhu, on Tuesday I'm doing second initiation.
You're receiving second
So
invitation?
most likely, yes, yes, yes. If Guru Maharaj permit, yeah.
Jai.
Yeah.
Thanks. Okay, Prabhuji. Hare Krishna.
Right.
Krishna.
Right.
Check up service, check up, Krishna. Krishna.